In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table on Google Sites fast and easy. If you're looking to enhance your Google site with clear and organized data, embedding a table from Google Sheets is the way to go. While Google Sites doesn't support the direct creation of tables, I'll guide you through a simple workaround to integrate your data seamlessly. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and navigate to Google Sites. In your search bar, just type Google Sites and click on the link to access your Google Sites dashboard. Here you'll have a couple of options. Either start with a new site by clicking on the plus icon or select an existing site that you'd like to modify. Once you've selected or set up your site, you may notice that there's no built-in option for adding a table directly on the platform. Not to worry. The solution is to use Google Sheets. Head over to Google Sheets and either open an existing sheet containing your data or create a new one to fit your requirements. Now, simply navigate to the File menu and then click on Share. From there, you'll want to click on Publish to Web. This is a crucial step as it allows your table to be embedded elsewhere. Next, click on the Embed option, and you'll see the sheets that are available for embedding. Make sure you select the correct sheet, usually titled Sheet 1 unless you've renamed it, and then hit Publish. Don't forget to copy the generated URL code. You'll need this to bring your data over to Google Sites. With the URL copied, return to your Google Sites page. In the dashboard, locate the Pages section and click on the plus icon to create a new page where your table will reside. Give your page a suitable name and click Done. Once that's complete, your new page is ready for embedding the table. Now click on Embed from the menu options, and in the search box that appears, paste the Google Sheets URL you copied earlier. After you've done that, click Insert, and voila! Your table from Google Sheets is now beautifully integrated into your Google site page. This method ensures that your data is presented in an organized way, enhancing the overall effectiveness of your site. Changes made to the sheet in Google Sheets will automatically reflect here, providing a dynamic solution for your ever-changing data needs. Enjoy your newly formatted site with this seamless table integration. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.